Okay, hi everyone, I'm Abdul Aziz from Indonesia and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are gonna talk about something called JPhonics. But before we are going to the tutorial, I'm very grateful if you want to click the subscribe button to make this channel growing up. Okay, thank you so much and let's get started with my tutorial. Okay, so today we are gonna talk about something called JPhonics. Actually, I don't know how to pronounce this word. I just say JPhonics. What is JPhonics? From the website we can see JPhonics is Java FX Material Design Library. So with JPhonics we can make our GUI looking great from the tagline, and we can scroll down and we can see about how to use this library in our Java FX project. So first step is open Java FX Scene Builder. So the requirement we should have is Scene Builder. So make sure if you want to use this library, you should have something called Scene Builder. Okay, the second step is we should import the JPhonics library. The next step is drag and drop custom component in order to build a GUI, and fourth step is save your FXML code so that you can use it in your Java FX code. So we can use our code in another project. Okay, the next step is how to install this library in our Java FX project. We can see, or we can click here on the documentation. Okay, here we can see JPhonics is an open source Java library that implements Google Material Design using Java component. To start using JPhonics, all you have is download it from GitHub. You can find JPhonics source file along with a compiled jar file on the following link. Okay, we just need to click here on the GitHub repository. Okay, here is GitHub repository of JPhonics. Here we can see about all project file of JPhonics. Okay, what we need in this repository is download JPhonics for our Java version. Because of my computer using Java 10, but here I don't find Java 10. Here I choose Java 9, and here I choose download jar. We can click here to download, and after our download is complete, we can go to the directories, and here we can see about JPhonics version.jar. Okay, the next step is how to import JPhonics in our Java FX project. Okay, here I will create Java FX project. I create new project in IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, as we can see, here is my project file and here our FXML file. Okay, the next step is how to import our JPhonics in our Java FX project. Okay, we need to open this FXML file on Scene Builder. We just need to right click and select Open in Scene Builder and wait until Scene Builder is open. Okay, on the left side we can see about component that we have. We can see accordion, and then button, and then scroll pane, and tape, VBox, and other. So when we want to import JPhonics library here, we select here on the tool icon, select jar or FXML manager, and here we choose add library from file system, and we can find our JPhonics file here, open, and we can see here all of component JPhonics. We just need to import all component and close. Okay, now on the left side we can see custom menu. In the custom menu we can see about JFX page, JFX button, JFX checkbox, JFX chip view, and other component JPhonics. Okay, let me choose one of JPhonics component. Here I choose maybe JFX radio button. I add JFX radio button here, and I just save, and here we can see something error, and when we run this project, what we see so here error happen, so we need to add library in our project structure. So we go to the file, project structure, and choose library, and then new project library Java, and we go to the directories and we choose JPhonics.jar. Okay, and okay, apply, and okay. Okay, let's try again to run my project. Okay, here we can see about my radio button, something cool, and wow, this is very clean, very Google material design, this library so help us to design our user interface. Okay, I think enough tutorial in this time. If you have any question or comment, write it down on the comment field. Thank you so much and see you again on the next video.